Time. Time is simply a measure of duration. Commonly, time is measured in hours, but the SI unit of time is seconds. The table below shows time conversions. Systems of time. Time is measured in either 12 or 24-hour systems. The 12-hour system uses the AM and PM. AM means from midnight to noon. PM is from noon to midnight. For example, 4 AM means 4 hours after midnight. 4 PM means 4 hours after midday. Conversion of 12-hour system into 24-hour system. To change the AM times, we simply omit the colon and replace the AM with hours. For example, 3:30 AM will be 3:30 hours. To change the PM times, we add 12 hours to the time and replace PM with hours. For example, 2:40 PM will be 14:40 hours. 5:15 PM becomes 17:15 hours. The reverse is achieved by subtracting 12 hours. Calculating time durations. When calculating time, it is easier to use the 24-hour system. For example, if a ship left port A at 1 AM and arrived at point B at 2:40 PM, find how long the journey took. We have 1 AM becoming 1:00 hours, 2:40 PM becoming 14:40 hours. The difference is 14:40 minus 1:00, which is 13:40 hours. It therefore took the ship 13 hours and 40 minutes to sail from port A to port B. Travel timetables. Whenever a vehicle travels from, say, town A to Z, it may make stops at several other points. Consider a sample of travel table below. From this table, the vehicle was traveling from point A to point H. The vehicle left A at 1900 hours, that is 7 PM, and arrived at B at 20:55 hours. It rested for 5 minutes and left B at 2100 hours, arriving at C at 23:54 hours. It again rested for 6 minutes before leaving B at 24 hours, and so forth and so forth.
One of the wonderful things about mathematics, I think, is that people are impressed. It's often seen as a very hard subject, and so if you've done math, it's often treated as an entrance requirement, as a credential to do lots of other things. And so one idea is that for example, some MBA programs, the only thing they require going into it is a good, solid math understanding. They can teach you all the business, they just can't teach you the math fast enough.